Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can manage your privacy settings in the Ask.fm application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it and here you should select the fourth option, which is settings. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see here the privacy settings. For example, allow anonymous questions, show status, allow other users to share my posts, allow others to subscribe to my activities, and you can also view your block list. Now you can activate or deactivate any of these with one tap, and they will stay like that. For example, I deactivate the allow anonymous questions, I go back, and once I check on it again, you can see that it will stay like that. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.